Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We've demonstrated where the horn relay is located on 2016 Ford F-150, guys. Right here, 2016 model. We have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just the fuse box that's under the hood in the engine bay. Okay, let me go back so I can show you now here. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you can clearly see that this is your 12-volt battery. Right behind it you have a fuse box, that's the cover, and if you open that cover you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one, that being the front of the truck. This is towards the windshield side. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see, guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, expensive and overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement ones at a good price and quick shipping. On the very bottom side right here in that fuse panel, you can see that fuse panel, guys, right here with relays. The horn relay will be located in that row on the very bottom side next to the fuses. That's the horn relay that you will need to check specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.